Alright everybody, we're about to unbox a set of heavy duty door hinges from MORryde. Big shout out to Austin for getting these out to me. Basically I'm just wanting to replace my wore out hinges on my Jeep. It's an '08, it's got corrosion, paint's chipping off, and I just decided I wanted to go with a heavy duty hinge instead of trying to pull mine off, repaint them, and go back with them. Heard really great things about these door hinges, so I'm hoping that once we get them on there, they're going to perform really great. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Let's see what's inside, and then we're going to go ahead and do an install while we're at it and show you how to put them on. All right, so first off in the box, you've got, I guess this is the hardware for the new hinges. Handy dandy instructions. Says it's really easy, so 6 steps. So I guess we're gonna find out how easy it is. I believe it'll be pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this out, and there we have them. Let me go ahead and pull them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you have 8 door hinges. Instructions and a bolt kit come with every set. Just right off the bat, I really like the quality. Stainless steel, powder coated. I think they're going to really look nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the factory hinges, and then we're going to go ahead and install these. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to basically put your T50 Torx in here, and you leave your doors on. You're just unbolting one hinge at a time, and you're going to basically put it back on so it keeps holding pressure with the door. So you just break them loose. Set those to the side as you get them out. I'd probably recommend also getting a little shop towel. That's what I'm doing, is a shop towel. To wipe them down where the hinges come off at. So once you get the hinges loose, easy as that. Slide it off. You can see underneath here, I guess they decide not to paint because it's all one piece whenever it goes to paint at the factory. So what you want to do is get you a little rag or something and just clean them up. So once you get everything kind of dusted off, you'll take your MORryde hinge, slide it in, and you will take your provided hardware, and what I found is you just want to start it and let it begin to pull it. It'll basically pull it up for you. Get it somewhat close, and then you'll put your other one in. All right. I'll be honest, sometimes it's a little tricky lining everything up. That's what happens whenever you go from factory to aftermarket. But for the most part, as you see here, they go right back in. I would have had my Allen wrench ratchet, but it is at work and I forgot to pick it up. So, but you'll get these snugged up, and then again you'll just move on to the next one and keep on. So let's go ahead and get the rest of them installed. right, guys, there you go. That's a full install that I've done for you here on these MORryde door hinges. Not a very hard install. I would say 10 to 15 minutes max. Probably with more closer to the 10-minute mark if you have the proper tools. A little bit better than what I was working with. But I can't complain. Even with the tools that I have here in my driveway, I got them installed. You don't have to take your doors off. I mean, that's a big thing, is you don't have to lug these doors off to go ahead and do the install and then put them back on. You just do them one hinge at a time, as I did here in this video, and you can knock them out pretty quickly. Just looking at them, they look a lot better than the factory hinges, in my opinion. Your factory hinges made of this, it just feels lightweight. It just doesn't really have any beef to it. And I honestly believe these MORryde door hinges are going to outlast the factory hinges. So I'm just kind of excited to see how they do and perform. If you like these door hinges, I'll put a link below where you can go and get some. Also, they carry the rear tailgate hinges as well. That's what they're more commonly known for. They look great. Maybe looking at getting a set of those as well, and I'll try to do another install video for those. But like I said, 10-15 minute max install, great quality, great replacement. No matter what color your Jeep is, these will look great on it. I honestly believe that you won't be disappointed. So again, thanks for watching the video. If you like these, again, I'll put a link below where you can get you some. And if you like what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you can just keep on watching more Jeep content, installs, and reviews that I do on the up and coming products that I'll be putting on the Jeep. So as always, you guys have a great day, and remember, Jeep on.